I really hope both at the trial and appellate levels that these remote proceedings are allowed. I think there's a real access to justice issue where people who would skip certain proceedings or skip oral argument or not even be able to hire a lawyer to show up to a remote court has access to courts they would not have access to. And I really hope some of these technical innovations can survive the pandemic and go forward, at least as an option.
I do too. Jeff, if I can add to that, I think you raised such a good point about access to justice. When I was a magistrate judge, a lot of times we would have hearings, and it was, especially in a civil case, it was very problematic to have the indigent prisoner plaintiff brought to court. There was no mechanism to pay for it. Who was going to pay for that? It was not a criminal case, but the judge, maybe often it was me, would have questions and I wanted to have argument. And so a lot of times what we would do is have the inmate participate by telephone. One of the things that maybe we can do more of is in prisoner litigation is to schedule video arguments where we can actually see the inmates, and more importantly, the inmates can see us and opposing counsel and see that the process is fair, that they are being treated equally. And I have to admit, there is an appearance of imbalance if you say the Attorney General's office is physically located, they are in the courtroom, the judge is in the courtroom, and nobody can see the inmate participating by telephone. Those are unfortunate things that I think you have a wonderful point, Jeff, about in access to justice and settlement conferences with inmate litigation, that maybe we can, be a little bit more creative than we have been as courts in the future, and have mediations and settlement conferences with indigent litigants, sometimes not prisoners, but other indigent litigants that just can't afford it, that they don't have to travel. And I think just we have a lot of opportunities maybe to take advantage of at least one of the few nice lessons that we've learned from the pandemic.